Yo, what's up, guys? We're back with another video after
like 4 months, bro.
Nah,
like three. Yeah, we did not do it correctly.
As many of you know, that this is my 300ZX right here. And today we're gonna install either this one. If this one doesn't fit, then we're gonna throw on this one. This one is I forgot what the brand was, but shit, we're gonna try with this one first. So I hope this one works. I hope it fits. So right now we're gonna start off with taking off the box air filter, the stock air filter. So basically,
You hold this too, no better lighting. Alright, so I already have clipped all of this. Shit, let me take off this map.
There goes my other lens. But anyways, so Edwin already took off the top air filter. Okay.
Y'all, 10 subscribers, we're gonna do a giveaway. Alright, we're gonna need these. Let's put these inside. Always save them, just in case you need to go back to stock, or one of these shits fuck up on you.
Yeah, you're right.
Alright, I think I have 10mm.
So now, where are we going through?
Oh yeah, dude, I'm not even like giving commentary. I'm just working. So there's like a screw right here. I think it's a 10mm, I believe so. I'm correct.
I would zoom in right now, but I'm holding on my phone. I'm gonna try, but yeah, it seems there's gonna be like no way.
There's no way of getting that
in there.
I don't think this is a 10mm. Oh no, it is. It is 10mm.
So Edwin does have his Z parked right out there too.
Oh yeah, you can show what I done to it.
Oh yeah, Edwin's new Z. Surprisingly, he actually has done a lot to it. Added some new wheels. Look nice. Oh, and this is actually the first time I'm seeing his tint, so that's cool. That fitment though, look at that fitment. Sheesh. I mean, if only he had a little bit wider. And he also has the clear tail lights, the ones I'm looking for. So if anyone has them, hit my line, I'll buy them off you. Just letting you guys know. Ha. But oh yeah, he has some gritty exhausts that he took off from a twin. But anyways, yeah, this is a gritty exhaust. I don't know if you can see. I don't know. Yeah, but believe me, it's a gritty exhaust. He also has the JWT J-Spec turn signals, so that looks nice. We actually, my brother just copped this car for stupid cheap, $500. And then for stupid cheap, we copped them. And then I did. Don't mind this. Here he is. There is mine. I would usually be doing the work, but he knows more about these cars than I do, so he's done this about how many times have you done it?
My own cars? Like 8 individual Z's, and then like homies cars, like so many of them.
And then you're gonna add this one on that one?
Yeah.
That's clean.
Oh yeah, we still need to show him the TT.
We still need to show him the TT. I did tell him that you took off the gritty exhaust that you have.
Yeah,
from the TT.
Yeah, but the TT's gonna get like a full like new kit done to it.
Oh yeah, speaking of the TT, I actually got my seats from the TT. Can you tell them what they are?
Your seats? Some Z32s already came with like Z logo seats. So it's the ones that Bryson have. Usually like the luxury like package ones or like the twin turbos. Bryson got lucky because those already came reupholstered So all you gotta do is just put them in his car. But yeah, they're super clean. I want them. I actually do. I really do want to find another set of those to put them on my car.
So we're just gonna get that out. Alright guys, now it's a better view of the 300 and my 300. Yep.
Oh, here.
And we still have 2 more 300s that we hang out with, so.
Wait, where'd you put the rest of the screws?
Uh-oh. Your GoPro. Oh. No.
Wait.
You forgot your GoPro. No.
God.
You forgot your GoPro.
Dude, we gotta find it.
Bro, you forgot your GoPro, dog.
Where's it?
Yeah.
There was a gray one.
Yeah, the gray one, and then the bolts.
Yeah, I put them all in my trunk.
Oh, you put them on in your trunk?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Cool.
All right then.
I don't know if I dropped any of the bolts while I was driving.
Why, you barely saw it when you were driving, or what?
The what?
You saw it when you were driving, or what?
No, I heard, like, I just heard moving in the back, so I stopped. But I wasn't driving fast, so I don't know if anything fell. There was like 4 or 6 bolts, something like that. I don't know.
There's 4.
Yeah.
Crazy nice.
Look at this guy.
Coming in hand, this little light.
That's it. Hey. Where do I put this shit? Right there.
What? There you go.
There it is. It's out.
You want to put this part on it still?
Yes. Just so I could add a little extension, I guess. I don't know.
Okay.
But let's hear. We should have showed them before and after revving it, huh?
We're revving it.
Like how it hears? How it sounds?
Oh, it sounds after that. I mean, I don't really think it makes that much of a difference with the exhaust. Even though it kind of does at the same time. It's kind of weird to see that, like how car mods work sometimes. You know, everyone like debates saying like none of these little car mods really make a difference.
Yeah, no.
Alright guys, so far it fits. Now the moment of truth is playing on that shit with it. This would be easy.
Yeah. Huh.
No, put that in first.
No, I know, but where's
Where's the what?
No.
Oh, the O-ring for that one?
So this is the JWT pop charger filter. Short pop charger filter. I honestly didn't think it was gonna work. But
We had a little bit of faith today. And to the right.
Alright guys, so it's pretty much in. And before my camera dies, we're gonna record. We're gonna try to record. I have a filter for him. I mean the adapter and the filter. And we're gonna slap it on. Cause this is a bigger filter than the one he has on right now, so there should be at least some improvement. But yeah, check it out, guys. And we'll be back when we're with his. Alright guys, so we're all set with mine. We already put the nose panel back on. We'll start it up right now. But check this out.
I'm telling you, bro, look how tiny that is.
You see what we mean by this was small? This one is small compared to the one you're gonna put.
I know.
Show him, show him.
Shit fucking huge, bro.
Damn.
It's tiny, bro. About a giveaway.
Another giveaway. But at least this is an easier install, so yeah, we'll see when we put that one back on. Yeah, so
We need the light.
yeah, so my Z is ready finally. We finished putting the intake, the air filter.
Yeah.
And we didn't do anything with his Z because the adapter that I had for him didn't fit your
Map sensor.
And today we're planning to go to a little car meet. We're not gonna film it, just to have a little fun.
We might film actually. Because
Maybe.
we're meeting up with friends today.
That's true, we are.
Yeah, so today might be a good day to film actually. Might be good.
And then yeah, like we said earlier, we apologize for not uploading the past 4 months.
Well, 3 months. 3 months.
Three or whatever.
3 or 4 months. However long we took. We're sorry.
Doesn't matter. That doesn't
yeah.
matter to me. What matters to me is this video going up soon. All right. So
Monday. This Monday actually.
this Monday.
Oh,
be
and don't
prepared.
forget. Happy holidays, guys.
Happy holidays. But even though we're gonna see each other for wait, it's actually Christmas is gonna pass.
Yeah, when we upload it. So
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
So Merry late
early
Christmas.
Early.
No, they're gonna see it
late.
Merry late
Late
Christmas.
Christmas.
Alright. Alright, so
Yeah, I guess that's it, man.
that'll be it for today. Catch you guys in the next
You know what?
video.